Guys, welcome to C++ tutorial on input output file in C++. In this tutorial I'll be explaining to you how we can create a file in C++ and how can we read in the file, and also how can we read from the file. So in this case I'll be using ofstream, which is output file stream, to write on the file, and also I'll be using ifstream, which is input file stream, to read from the file. So I'll be using a couple of examples here to do that. Let's start from one example. So let's do ofstream. Ofstream. And now let's set this file. And this file dot open. So let's give a name of the file. Let's put like sample.txt file. And now this file, and so let's put some kind of message to the hi, or just like hello world, and the line. Then this file, we should close the file, close, and this is file closing, and returns 0. Okay, so let's run the program, see what happens. It should run. So hello world. So basically what we did by using output file stream, we use sample.txt, and once we do this file .open, it opens automatically, and in another sample file, which is sample.txt, we put it here, and we give the message to its hello world. So it's basically like this code creates a size called sample.txt and insert a sentence into it, as we do same for cout. So basically this file is using here, we are using here as a cout. So let's do one more example. We don't need this, so we can take it off, delete it. Yes. So now in this case I'll be using input file stream. So file stream include the string, because I'll be dealing with a string here. Alright, so let's do, we don't need this, so let's give a name to the string. Let's do it text. Alright, and if stream is input file stream, if stream file. Now let's give a name to the file, name file.txt. Okay, so this would be our file name. We want to read from the file, and if file is open, file dot is open, and if file is open, we'll have while so we'll get the line from the file. And file stream. File, and what we trying to get is text. Text is our string name. We will do cout now. Cout, so we'll be doing text, then end the line. So if the file is, so we need to also close the file. File dot close. Alright. So if we can't open the file, we'll have a message saying that else cout unable to open the file. And the line. Return 0. So let's run the program. Let's see what happens. Unless we have an error, let's see. Oh, unable to open the file. Why is that? Because we said that for using input file stream, we told the compiler to read from the file, but we didn't create a file called file.txt. So let's create a file. So let's create a file called file.txt, and let's put something on it. Hello world. Okay, so if we now compile the program again, it should give me hello world. Oh, where is the file.txt? Do you know what's the problem here? Because I have a space here, so let's get rid of it. Okay, let's run the program. No, what else I have problem? File.txt. Oh, hello world. So you should be very careful here, because whatever file you wanna give the name, you have to make sure that there is no space here in between the file name. Whatever file name you give it here, you have to give it here. So as I said, we just use string here as a text. That's why I need to use include string, because I'll be dealing with string. And I have included also fstream library, because I'll be dealing with the file. And if stream file is file.txt, if the file is open, we'll get the line, so we'll get the message from the file, which is text string. And if we close the file, else if the compiler can't go to the file, we'll have a message like they're unable to open the file. So I think that was helpful for you to understand how file works in C++, how to create a file and how to read from the file, also how to input in the file. So I'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you very much.